Well, I think we're, like what we know about a 12-team competition, top 8, you can have a couple of slip-ups, and we've had our slip-ups. We can't have any more. So last Saturday was a slip-up, then we've still survived and we're still in the 8. So we win our next 3. We keep winning. If we're in the 8, you keep winning, you'll be okay. So you just got to be careful. Last year we had a couple of slip-ups early in the year, and when we got to the end of the year, we needed to win the game. So we weren't in the 8, and we forced our way in and then got into there. Whereas now we're at 8, and it's totally in our control. As they say, the destiny is in our hands, and we just got to keep winning. Good side. They're a physical side. Their defence is very good. They come hard at you, and they put a lot of pressure on the ball at the breakdown, both in the air and on the ground. And we just need to, if we're going to get our game going, we're going to have to be very physical around our breakdown. We're going to have to look after the ball. And we'll get quick ball and we'll move around and we'll try and move the Reds back around the field. But, they're a good side. They lost their young number 8, Wilson. He broke his arm, which is, unfortunate for him. And he'd been playing some really good footy as well. So, thoughts go out to him. I know how hard he works on his game, but we just got to make sure that we are ready to play whatever team the Reds bring here, and they're going to be physical, and we know that. So, I'm looking forward to that clash.